In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect interactive brokers to TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to place trades directly from your TradingView charts through your interactive brokers account. Before we start, make sure you're signed into TradingView, you have an interactive brokers login ready, and pop-ups are allowed in your browser since the authorization window opens in a new tab. Begin on any TradingView chart. Pick the symbol you want so you can test the connection later. At the bottom of the screen, open the trading panel. This is where TradingView lists all supported brokers and where you'll manage the connection. Inside the trading panel, look for the brokers list. If you don't immediately see interactive brokers, click Show All Brokers to expand the full catalog. This ensures you're not missing it if it's hidden behind a shortened list. Some interfaces also include a search field. If you see one, typing Interactive Brokers will bring it up quickly. Click Interactive Brokers to select it, then hit Connect. TradingView will open an Interactive Brokers authorization page. If nothing appears, your browser likely blocked the pop-up. Enable pop-ups for TradingView and try Connect again. Next, choose your trading mode before logging in. Select live trading if you intend to trade with real funds, or paper trading if you want to simulate orders without risk. This selection is locked in for the session and can't be changed afterward. To switch, you'll disconnect and repeat the process. After picking the mode, enter your interactive broker's username and password. If prompted, complete two-factor authentication, such as approving the login in the IB mobile app. You may also need to accept terms and conditions by entering your name and confirming the agreement. Once the authorization succeeds, return to TradingView. At the bottom of the chart, in the trading panel, you should see the interactive broker status with a green icon and the word live or paper depending on what you chose. That's your confirmation you're connected. If the status doesn't turn green, reconnect, double check your credentials, ensure the correct mode, and confirm that the authorization tab wasn't closed or timed out. With the connection active, you can place trades directly from the chart. Right click on the chart or use the buy and sell buttons to open the order ticket, set your quantity and order type, and optionally add take profit and stop loss levels before you submit. Always verify you're on the correct symbol and exchange, and double check whether you're in live or paper mode. When you're done trading, you can disconnect from the trading panel and log out for security.